Today, we are learning how to add two numbers by splitting. That is the strategy we're going to look at. So we're going to split the second of the two numbers into smaller parts to do the addition. So let us say that you have 8 cookies and then you get 6 more cookies. How many cookies would that make altogether? How are we going to solve this? Well, first of all, we are going to change or turn that 8 into a 10. And the reason we want to do that is because 10 is a zero-ending number, and zero-ending numbers are much easier to add to. To do that, we need to have the number 2, because 8 plus 2 makes 10. We know that for a fact. Where is that 2 going to come from? Because we had 8 plus 6, right? We are going to split the second number. We're going to split the 6. And we are going to get a 2 out of that 6. And then that's going to leave us with a 4. Because we also know that 2 plus 4 makes 6. So then we take the 2, and 8 plus 2 of course gives us 10. And we are left over with a 4. Remember, when we split the 6, we got a 2 and a 4. So there's a 4 left over, and we get the 10, and we add the 4 to the 10, and we get 14. So now we know that 8 plus 6 gives us 14. Let us go over those steps again and see exactly what we did. How did we split the second number to get our answer? To retrace our steps, we had 8 plus 6. And what did we do? We did 8 plus 2 equals 10, and 10 plus 4 equals 14. And where did that come from? Well, we split, if you look at that 6, if you remember, we split that 6 into 2 smaller parts. So we split the 6 into a 2 plus a 4. And we took the 2, and the 2 got added to the 8 and gave us a 10. We were left with 4. That 4 we added to the 10, and we got a 14. So the split, when we're saying splitting a number, the split is actually of the second number. That's the one we are splitting. And the reason we are doing that is because we want to change or turn the first number into a 10 or a zero-ending number. It could have been 20 or 30 if it was a bigger number, but in this case it's a 10. And the reason we do that is because zero-ending numbers are very easy to add to. So 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14. We split the 6 into a 2 plus 4, and that is the strategy. It is adding by splitting the second number into smaller parts.